So let's talk about cleaning change and how much I hate doing it and why is this a thing, but apparently it's more common than I think. I've just had a Harley forever, which contrast of that to that, it's hilarious to me. All right, cool. So I know that all these sport bikes, they have the little thing, like you put it in the bag and you scoop it up. Well, A, I don't have the little piggy pegs to do it. B, I don't have the scoopy thing to do it. But had a conversation with a few people, as I do, came to this conclusion. So besides your cleaning and lubing stuff, everybody praises these. They're like 30 bucks on Amazon. They're freaking great. Scrub brush. I was also told about this interesting contraption, which apparently you just roll the bike onto and then you just, because it doesn't have a center stand. The whole idea of it being on its side and then having to turn the tire and do these things, I find very interesting. I really wish it was like center, because there's this thing that looks super interesting. I really want to get it, but I don't know how it would work on the side because apparently the chain needs to go flat, but not the point. Let's try to load this thing up. Fingers crossed I can do it by myself, because also thinking about the little middle loader, the back axle thing, like the idea of having to hold the bike up and then force, I don't get it. I don't get it. Like a freaking Ghostbusters trap. Then you put it behind the tire. Then you just roll up, right? Pretty sure. A little too easy, that concerns me. Let's see how the tire turns. Doctor? All right, let's see if the tire turns. Down. That actually works super well. A little too easy though. A little hesitant when it's still too easy. But also just with how busy I am and how like crazy things have been, like finally being able to like put in some headphones and almost go into like a weird meditative state of just like woosah, like I like doing repetitive work sometimes just as, so don't think of this as a chore, Flip. Think of this as meditation. All right, Flip, remember, this is not a chore, it's a meditation. Woosah. I always wanted a pair of AirPods, but I've always made fun of people who have AirPods. Because look at that douchebag wearing it everywhere. I really try not to wear it everywhere, but you know, here I am. All right. Cue fast forward and cleaning chain. Oh my God, that looks so much better. All right, cool. So the biggest pain in my ass when it comes to freaking like cleaning your change is the lubing part, which always freaks me out a bit. Get some more skunk off of here. Because when it comes to lube, you hear nightmare stories like don't spray it on your brake caliper, which makes perfect sense. And this is always a messy job and it goes everywhere. Like, and me being me, I'm always looking for the best tool for the job. Typically not a unit tool, but if there's something out there that can make this job easier, I'm always in for it. Like this, the Moto Grime Guard. It's by True Tension, and you just flop it over and it just goes behind. So I bought this like 2 months ago. I was flipping through Instagram one day and I saw it and I thought it was the most genius freaking thing ever. And finally bought one about 2 months ago. It's from Europe, from England. This is a Triumph. I was just trying to make sure and double check real quick what the hell's going on, and hang on a second, I'm gonna go run the instructions one more time. And we're back. No, apparently. So the thing I find weird is that, like, it seems like it would be logical to go slip in that way, but this is, it's a Triumph, that's my point. It's like the chain's on this side, whatever. Apparently after reading the directions, you have to like measure the sprocket and then cut the diameter so it fits in there. Look, man, I know I'm dumb. Just leave me alone. Let's cut this and ruin it, I guess, because I don't want to. I think it's 150 millimeters, so I'm gonna go a little bit lower just because. I'm definitely gonna cut the crap out of myself somehow. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the best I'm gonna be able to get it. That's the best I'm gonna try to get it at this point because it's just not worth it. In theory, it works better because this is the picture that they showed on Instagram. Just something you clamp around. My brain said axle, so like yeah, that whatever. But no, apparently it's the sprocket. The sprocket's wider, and you gotta figure out how big your sprocket is or whatever. And like in theory, it's an absolutely great idea. And I broke it. For $35, it seems like a great idea in theory. For as much arts and crafts as you got to do to get this thing on there, I'm being completely honest, man, I think you're better off just grabbing like a piece of cardboard or some kind of piece of plastic or something on your own and actually just cutting it and just kind of like, because this made nothing any easier, but it's there now and I'm going to use it. So it needs to be done, right, guys? Clean your chain. And again, the whole idea is you just like spray it onto it. It doesn't hit anything else except for the chain, whatever needs to be freaking done. So not super impressed. Well, that's a waste of $35. Let's see if I can make up something real quick. This is even better. All right, so from the box where it came in, I just cut it in half and cut out the diameter and used some packing tape. Does the same thing. Feel bad doing this, but it's the truth of the matter, and the truth of the matter is that you can just make it yourself. So well, apparently there's really no quick and easy way of doing this. There's no little tricks, not that I know of, not that I've seen. I've also haven't really been looking. I just saw that on Instagram. I thought that True Tension monkey catcher thing was just a great thing. I thought it literally just slid over and that was the end of that. It's not what it is. If that's what you want to do, like I said, you can make it on your own. You can probably get something that's plastic, and I thought it was gonna be a lot easier, and slightly regret spending the $35. But hey, like I keep saying, I'm the idiot and I'm here to entertain you, so I have at least, if anything, achieved my job here. That's enough cleaning and chains and stuff. I'm starving. Go get some food. Go meet up with Megan. First, clean up my mess. I in no way meant to say anything mean about True Tension's product. I am an idiot. I don't know what sprocket size I have. I don't know how to check what sprocket size I have. I'm pretty sure that people who know better than I do can figure it the hell out. I'm also sure that a lot of those people probably have a garage, a full workbench, and things like that. It is 94 degrees with 75% humidity. I am sitting on the hot concrete trying to figure out how to do this. I got flustered. It's probably more on me for it not working than anything else. I didn't read the freaking instructions. I'm not trying to say anything bad about their product. I'm sure it's like I'm sure when you get it right, it works great. I'm just hangry right now. I needed to get this done. I've been meaning to get it done for months. Now that these chores are done, I can go get food. I'm freaking starving. Okay, wait for Megan. What the shit is that, Megan? How much do you miss having me shove a camera in your face? It's been a while.
So what?
She's having PTSD because she hates it, because every time the camera comes out, I harass the shit out of her.
You do.
Yep. Me either. Let's go get hungry. I'm hungry. Food! So what's your favorite kind of food?
Tacos.
So like,
Fancy.
if you could only ever eat one thing again, it'd be like tacos. Like, it doesn't matter what's inside the tacos, but like tortilla shell filling tacos. Okay. I love sandwiches.
Well, that's pretty big. You can't just choose sandwiches.
Well, yes, I can, because sandwiches are like
Anything could be a
bread,
sandwich.
stuffing, bread.
I mean,
Anything can be a taco.
taco is technically just a folded sandwich, but pretty much.
I'm not having a fucking hot dog argument.
Is a hot dog considered a sandwich? Because it is folded.
Technically,
We
there
can't argue that.
is a technical.
And what about a hoagie? Is that technically
There is a technical stipulation by like the FCC or whatever, whoever does FDA. The FDA have an actual like percentage of meat to bun to become a hot dog or a sandwich. I don't remember what it is, but there is like there is a freaking like number to it.
Who decides this? Who has these meetings?
Nerds.
Like food nerds? Like Guy Fieri? Or
No, like nerds, like actually the best percentage of shut the fuck up. The point of this conversation is that we're going to a delicious delicatessen where they make delicious sandwiches,
not grilled cheese ones.
and I'm on a diet and can't have sandwiches.
Avoid their grilled cheese. It's terrible.
They're $10 grilled cheese. Like, oh yes, it's delicious. Like, no, it's they're like, there's 10 slices of cheese. I'm like, do any of them have French words? Or is it all just cheddar? It was all just cheddar. It was a mound of 10 slices of cheddar for $10. And she still gets mocked to no end about it. I hate diets. I miss sandwiches. I could eat a sandwich every day. To me, like a burger considered a sandwich. In my book.
It's just a round sandwich.
That's what I'm saying. Before I found out that the FDA was just lobbied by the grain freaking lobby for making grain the most important thing in the food pyramid, which is no longer the same food pyramid I remember being taught, because apparently it was paid for. My brain always told me that a sandwich is the perfect food pyramid. You got grain and meat and dairy and like veggies. What else?
See, I always thought a taco was that.
I mean, handheld stuff.
What is there other than dairy, veggies, grain?
There was poultry's still meat, so there was dairy,
What's protein?
which wasn't eggs in dairy.
I did this.
It wasn't it? But it's not like, look,
Whatever.
yeah. Have you seen the new food pyramid?
No, I haven't.
It is crazy. Why are we still making a pyramid? It's no longer valid. We know you lied to us. You know you got bought out. Oh, here's some money. Make it look like a pyramid and make me look. Shut up. All right, I'm gonna go get a salad. Hey, look, it's right. I'm not filming inside.